Hello, my lovely people. Hi, everyone. Hi. Hello, my love. Hello. Children of God, how are you? Praise the Lord. Praise be to the Almighty God. We are here today again. God bless you all. God bless you. This is Mrs. Wambudike. Your sister, your friend, your baby. Please, God bless you all. God bless you. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your time that you sit down to watch me. God will bless you. Double blessing. God will favor you. God will continue to bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends on the come across this video. God bless you. We have come to give message to our father, our husband, our brother out there, our sons out there. Please, God bless you. Give me a listening ear for this message today. Hello everyone. Please help me to share. Share. Do it. Let's do it. Hi everyone. This is Mrs. Wambudike. I said message to men. Support your wife. Support. Don't stop being insecure. If I support my wife, she'll come be duga. She'll come there to support her. Anything where you know say your wife is good of, support her. She needs your support. No kill her dream, oh. No kill her dream. Invite people more many years more. Invite my friend. Invite. God bless you all. Thank you for joining. God bless you. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. Really good. Invite. Share to WhatsApp messenger. Let people know say Mrs. Wambudike don't dey line again. Please help me to invite. More talk and sharp, More talk and see rich. More know what we go talk. Just help me invite people. More talk and beg. Invite people. More many yes more. Invite my friend. Invite. Please, so wait to. I'm trying to use the other my phone to invite. Please, I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Help me to invite. Oh, I say message to men. Message to our father out there, our people way full there. Message to all of them. Invite our men, make them join us, make them come listen to today. Invite. Help me to invite people. Help me to invite our loved ones. Share to messages, share to WhatsApp, because I dey try to see if please help me to share. If you know that you love Mrs. Wambudike, help me to share. As you share, God will continue to bless you. The hand that you use to share, God will continue to bless that hand, and plenty money that hand will give you. You no go lack for your life in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you for coming, my loving lady. God bless you. As we are starting now, I say message to men. Please, I come beg una today. Muna support una wife. Try to support your wife. If you see some men, they be destiny killer. So destiny killer na them be. How you go tell your wife make they house make you no work? Wetin Bible call woman na supporter. You only you want no go fit just get. You no go only you want go just the work you go get. Even some go they work self, they not go even give their wife. Your wife go they beg for hand to mount. You not go know whether your wife go do her. You not go know anything about your wife. You go they do fine boy. Your wife go they hold. Shame no let you come carry your wife go out because say she not dress, because say she not do hair. When you not get time for her. You go see and say your wife is so very good of this thing, you cannot support that woman to come to build your top because say you dey insecure, because say you dey fear. If this woman rise up, you can't rule me, you can't be giant of the house. My dear brother, you be baby. You never grow. Because if you grow, you go know say woman supposed to support you. If you grow, you not go remember only today. If you grow, you go remember say this woman have children for you. You doesn't know what will happen tomorrow. If you grow, you go know say this woman need to take care of herself in anywhere where she go. A woman that doesn't have anything, a woman you stuck in one place. How did you want her to take care of herself? Some men, they will not even allow their wife to speak in public because we kill her dream in her. She has a vision because women, we are carrier. Anything you give us, we increase it, we double it to you. But you will not support because say you dey fear. Because say you dey fear, you will not support this woman to be on top. You as a man, there are things that you don't know that your wife know. For you to back your wife, for you to take a rap and back your wife, that support her and increase her that she can do it. How are you, sweetheart? Thank you. Welcome. God bless you. God bless you. That this woman can do it, but you cannot support her. No. Because you are afraid that if this woman, if the whole world knows this woman, how is my hand? How am this woman going to treat me? Is it going to treat me as a husband? You forget that whatsoever that happened to this woman, you are the roof over this woman's head. Even though this woman have millions, even though he have time today, before they call her name, before they even remember her, even though she's the one making the money, before they remember her, you are the one that they will remember first. Because she carries your name. By the time you feel that you want to bring this woman down, you are bringing yourself down. By the time you don't want this woman to meet up, don't you know that you don't have wisdom? This woman might have it upstairs. You go get her for head. Waiting go benefit the family. Waiting go bring increase to the family. Waiting go improve those family. When he bring the idea, you go kill him. You go say because say the idea come out for her. I no go allow her. Oh, because if you give woman chance, they go take chances. You no go allow her. You no go allow her meet up. My sister, my brother. Now you they draw yourself back. Not be the woman you they draw back. You go forget say tomorrow day. You go forget, say, may God don't let bad thing happen, say your enemy die. How do you want that woman to meet up? How do you want her to carry on? What do you want her to do? You see some women, some widows today, with their children that they suffer. Because the time when they day your house, you don't let them, you don't open their eyes to many things. Some women even they don't know their husband back account. They don't know where their husband they keep money. They not be the next king of their husband. The children is not the next king because you did not let her to know anything about you. You keep them silent. They doesn't know anything about you. All the name of pride. You are pride. You forget, say, no, you will get today, you get tomorrow. You forget, say, anything can happen to you tomorrow. That woman need to carry on. By the time you did not support her, by the time you did not bring her along with you, by the time you did not make her to know her dream, to realize herself, how will she continue tomorrow? I'm asking you. A lot of women, they go today. Una call herself a big man. A lot of una wife there today, they don't know where una carry air go. They don't know anything about una. Una keep them for house. You go see big man wife now. When something just happened to big man, at the end of the day, you can't they beg. They'll say, upon us, your husband get money rich. Because he don't know anything. Because you did not support her. You marry a woman. You did not ask this woman, what do you know? What do you do best? What is your dream? What is your vision in life? What do you go feel do? You not go feel ask him. Because say you dey fear. Because say you dey feel say, if this woman get up, you not go respect you again. If this woman get up, you don't know as everything go be. You not go come give you respect again. You don't know, say by the time you let her down, by the time you don't want her to do anything, when this grace comes for her side, this grace go to your name, because she did not carry her name again, she carried your name. Because you are now her husband. They will not remember her father's name, they will remember your name. Anything will happen to that woman today, now your name they go fair call. May support your wife. Stop to the let your wife down. Support them. All those women you see today, when they talk, their husband is by their side. But you, maybe your woman will be better than them. Your woman get wisdom than all those people. Even you self, you go sit down, say you they look there. When they preach, when they address people, you go see they look there. You go say, yes, this one a tough man, this one a top woman. If the husband not support her, you yourself as a man, you go feel the looker. And they ask you. You go feel looker. A lot of women, they have dream. But their husband don't allow that dream to manifest. Their husband, they want that dream to die. Because of insecure. Because you are a baby, you are not a man. Because if that dream manifests, you go know, so now you with that woman go manifest together. If catch a lot of this country today, if you invite your wife, that your wife is a good speaker, your wife, they address people well. The way where they take call your wife, where's your wife sit down, now you go sit down because you be her husband. If you allow your wife to die with king and queens, anywhere where your wife sit down, if they give your wife tickets, they will give you as a husband. Now your husband, now you as a husband, they'll fair give, not be the woman. You say you want common food for your wife. You don't know, say the same thing you they common food for your wife. Now that the same time you see they common for your mouth. A lot of women, they have ambition today. They have vision inside there. The thing they grow there, but they not feel manifest and they not feel born now. Because of waiting, because of insecure man where they marry for her. A lot of women, if they talk today, heaven and hell will come together. But the kind of husband where they get, because the man not wise, he's not civilized, he will not allow that vision to manifest. He will not give them the chance to manifest. You go drown. You go kill that dream. Even when she even get the plan self, you go say, I bet nothing. Because you know in this life, when you want to do anything, if you see somebody that encourage you, you will have more strength. But if anybody that is around you, then bring you down. Anytime you have idea to do anything, you tell it to people, then bring you down. That idea will die. I've come to beg our husband, please be supportive. Support your wife. In anything where your wife want to support them. Not they kill their dream. Not make them feel useless. Not make them feel say they be nothing. Support your wife. Support your wife. Let her realize her dream. Let her know, say she be somebody. She's important in the society. Support your wife. Mona not the kill their dream. Mona not be dream killer. Support your wife. Support her. Not they think only today. You they feel insecure. If she get money now, she not go respect me again. Who tell you? Even though she get money, she not get money. The money where she get not be your own. That they call her name. Not be your name that they call. And they ask you. Anything she get to the glory of God today, now you get her. Because she doesn't have say. She doesn't have right. Now you hold on. Why you they fear? Why you they fear? Say if this woman grows, say you no go count me join somebody. Why you they fear? Why you cover her for something? You know why open and make she run? Why you they fear? Society go good today. You go see Nigeria now, see the level of their understanding. See the way where they be for Nigeria. Because of what? They did not give woman chance. They not give woman chance. They not make woman to be valuable in the society. Look at the Western world. When a man can do anything, a woman can do anything. Any office that a man stand, a woman can still stand there. Look at the society today. Are they not moving forward? Then they move forward. Now all those things I look today, I can't beg. I beg our men, support your wife. Support them. Help them to realize their dream. Don't be selfish. Don't be stingy. Not be stingy. Anything where she know how to do, support her. Encourage her. Tell her that she can do it. Even though she has fear, tell her, no, you can do it. You can do it. You will see, say she go do marvelous well. She go do marvelous well. Support her. Even though she no want go school for the country where it did before, you as a man, they talk for a year. You have to go to school. You have to know this. You have to know this. Make sure you are important in the society. She will be. She will be. Father not get, mama not get. I want a walk. How? I'm asking. No support from anywhere. How that thing want a walk? I'm asking. Please, our men, try to support your wife. For you to disgrace your wife everywhere where you go they curse her. Now so she not sabi do anything. Now so you not sabi do anything. If you train your wife, you bring something out of her. She will realize that she's a mother, she's a carrier. She has something inside her that he will bring to the society, that will benefit the society. Support your wife. Support her. Make her to realize her dream. Make her to know the reason why God created her. Support her. Stop to dey kill her dream. Stop to dey kill her. Some women now, man go marry them as doctor, lawyers, everything. If you don't marry her finish, you go destroy her dream for her hand. He go stop working, not go work again. He go come turn to borrow. At the end of the day, you go they do like this, say you be man. You are not a man, you are a baby. I'm sorry to say. Because if your wife, they collect 1,000, you, they collect 3,000. 1,000 plus 3,000, how much she be? And they ask you, how much she be? How much she be? You just feel saying that so you go, they get. You can't forget, say you might lose business. Business go there bad one day. Your wife need to support you. So you see some house, now if husband fall, all the old house don't fall. Because why? The woman is under, she's not doing anything. Because the woman is not a carrier. Because the woman doesn't know how to do anything. If the woman know how to do something, even though her husband fall, the whole world will not know what happened. So men business go bad today and everywhere go nyama pa. Landlord go control where your load. Nothing. Because say the woman they there, they eat. Because now that food you say me can't eat. You don't know how to do anything. Because say you say may be housewife. Wake up, women. Wake up. Use your life for something better. Use your future for something better. Any man will tell you say, make you not work, make you not do this one, make you put you on salary every month. He go they pay you. He go they pay you. If you see say the money is not even enough, trouble and say you want to go do something. Because you don't know what thing will happen tomorrow. It might go accident might happen. How you want to take care of yourself, you'll start to borrow. If the family come pursue you, come up for house to call, you'll start to borrow because say you not waste yourself as a woman. How can your husband tell you not to do anything and really you agree because say you want to be obedience wife? Now I not be obedience, so now stupidity. I'm sorry to say. Because there are different of stupidity and obedience. You know if you tell me now say your husband go their house now, he tell you say may you not work, may you not do anything. Nah, why obey? By the time when the money go take on, you go obey that time. Now then you call they call Mama yourself. Mama yourself, I beg, I want me you borrow me 20 euro. Next say if you call Mama yourself again, go they look your phone, you know they carry. Because Mama yourself they work. Waiting make you not they work. Good evening, my sister. God bless you. Thank you for joining us. Please help me to share this message and invite people to join us. God bless you really good. God bless you. Thank you very much. You will come and mind yourself. I need 20 euro. I need this one. I need this one. You go there borrow. You refuse to make use of your life. You refuse to engage yourself with nothing because you want to obey your husband. Because you don't want to make people say, you not be good woman. For you to be a laughing stock, it makes you to be a good woman. For you to turn to borrow everywhere, it make you to be a good woman. Your mates, they plait hair. Your mates, they bake. Your mates, they say something for internet. Not the way you know how to do because you want to be a good woman. Continue to be a good woman. By the time when something happened to your husband, you will know that, water not be Gary. Water not be Gary. If that man not support you, give encouragement to yourself. Tell yourself that you can do it. Because if suffer come tomorrow, it not follow you day. It not follow you there. Oh. See the pandemic where they come, where they go everywhere and nobody know as this thing want to end. All stores they lock, work not day. You as a woman and you never think about yourself. Say what do you want to do? If not how to make her, if not how to do this one, how to do this one, how to do this one. For you to support the home. For you to support your husband. Because your husband tells you, you be housewife, you don't need to do something. Who tell you so? Who tell you? Say you don't need to do something. When the man fall, you go fall gidigba. When the man you fall, the whole house go your fall. Everybody go your know. Now you be the woman where you go use cloth to cover all the shame. You use your wrapper to cover all the shame where they have. If your man fall, use wrapper to back him up. By the time where you don't get how you want to back your husband. I'm asking you. You want to do good wife. You want to do obedience wife. You there inside house. By the time when they say me they bring 5 euro. If your husband never come, you not go buy mangi. If your husband never come, you not go buy salt. If your husband never come, you not go buy water. Obedience wife. Hello. That's the reason that some of you take some rubbish that you cannot take in marriage. The men use you now like a tissue paper. A man can even tell you, a man that carry you from head to toe, he will tell you to even get up that another woman is coming. You will do it because why? You don't have choice. You don't. Then when you have your choice, before he even talk to you, he go fair look front and back because he knows say you are not a woman that they will bounce out so easily. He know that you have the authority. He know that if he come on for your life, nothing go shake you. Women make una wise. Because not be there we break today, go break tomorrow. Mona, stand up. This is 2021. Stand up. Find something. Open internet. We are in a computer war now. Find something to do. Support your home. Support your children. Because if anything happen to you now, the man you go shake nyash, leave you. Now you go to suffer with your children. You don't come talk say you be obedience wife again. You don't come talk. Now your mate now be moderator. Now your mate now be guest speaker. They can talk to governors. They can talk to queen. They can talk to important people. They are not better than you. They don't get to head. Now the same head will not get. Try to stand up. Do something. Do something. Let your life be meaningful. Let your life be important. Don't let your children see your picture tomorrow. They'll throw away spit. Let your children see your picture. They'll carry the picture like this. Say, oh, this is my mother. If you say that they come live next time, those women will be, I will still be this woman's son or daughter. Let your children be proud of you. Don't let your children use let they kick your picture, come on, say, wait till this one are wasted property. If they come live next time, that kind of mother not go bomb me. Don't be a problem to your children. See how important, even though they are 50 years, they say they support their children. They never carry their stress, give their children. Don't live the life that our generation live. At the end of the day, now we will be the children and they suffer the sin of our parents. If we not give them today, they not go eat. Our body go they hurt. This one want do this one because they not use the time where God give them well. This generation, let us change it. Be valuable in this world. Bring something out of you. You have it. We women, we are encouraged. Just that some of us, we did not know. We did not know the importance that God gave to us. We did not know our importance. We did not know that there is something inside us. When you sit down, you want to do anything. When you are focused on it, you will do it. When you will do it. Take yourself out of abusing home. Support yourself. If that man did refuse to support you, support yourself. If that man refuses to give you encouragement, give encouragement to yourself. Tell yourself that you can do it. Tell yourself you can do it. Let that man bring you down. Not give him that chance where he go to bring you down. Not give him that chance where he go to make you say you be useless. Tell him say you not be useless. You not come for useless family. You not go say be useless. Stand as a woman. Bring something out of you. Face your life this year. My first topic this year, I say let your life be meaningful. Bring something out of you. Tell yourself that you can do it. Even though you don't know how to read minds, yeah. In a computer world, we can't do it. So everything is impossible. You can know. You go back to school. Try to do something. Not they follow. Try to do something. Let your life be useful. The time where you want to follow, the time where you want to gossip, because when you be housewife, you go there gossip, you go there do this. Use all these things to do better thing. Enter it and enter YouTube. Learn how to do cake. Learn how to decorate cake. Even how to decorate hall. How to cook. You can be a good chef. Learn something. Let there be something because you don't know where to waiting tomorrow hold. You don't know where you want to land yourself tomorrow. Not look any man hand because they are not helpful. Now they go still bring you down tomorrow. Not looking hand. Support yourself. If that husband not support you, support yourself. Please, my sisters, try to do something. Try to bring something out of yourself. Try to be useful in the society. Most especially single mothers out there. Try to bring something out of you. You are a single mother, but you are not stupid. Let people know to be a single mother is not a curse. It's not a disease. That one is a topic for another day. I don't want to join everything together. Support yourself. Support yourself, my sisters. Because if you say me, you wait for all this men, they be dream killer. They will never support you. Even though you get idea, it will never allow that idea to come to reality. It will never. Because if they fear, because if they insecure, if fear say if you don't do anything now, you not go feel respect them again. You see life? Say you need to stand up for yourself. You need to support yourself by yourself. That is all for now, my sister. God bless you. God bless you real good. Please, my sister, try to support yourself. Try. Even though that man did not support you, even though that man bring you down in any way, try. Be strong. You are a woman. God make us to be strong. Try to be strong. I love women. They are able. They are strong. No matter what comes your way, dust and come on. Try to be strong. Even though that man leave you, my sister, clean your face your future, face your children. Try to engage yourself with something. Try. God bless you all. Until we meet next time. This is Mrs. Wambudike. God bless you. Thank you for your time that you used to watch me. Please continue to watch. Continue to follow me. Just press like. Follow me on YouTube. It's the same name, Joy Wambudike. Subscribe to my YouTube. God bless you. Like my page. Follow me up. Share my video. Tell friend that a good Samaritan is here. I can still learn from you. Leave your comment. You are free to leave your comment. Whatsoever you view, you end your view, you still leave it there. Support the ministry to grow. God bless you. Share and like the video. Thank you very much for your patience with me. God bless you. Until we meet again, remember Jesus loves you. Above everything that we are saying, if God is not your side, you cannot even do anything. But if God is your side, you can move mountain. Always remember God in anything that you want to do. Even though you have an idea of business, put it in God's hand. God will direct you. You have an idea of doing anything. You want to be a guest speaker. You want to be a moderator. Anything that you want to be a lawyer, doctor, nurse, anything at all, put it in God's hand. Even though you are failing, God will rise you up. That support you need from that man, that support you need for that woman, God will give you that support. You will never wail. You will never fall. You will never faint in the mighty name of Jesus. Please, my brothers, my sisters, most especially my brothers, my fathers, our husband, please try to encourage your wife. Try to support your wife because you still need their support. Because we will be supporter. Remember, say this woman that married you when you are not in support you. Because there are other men out there that have money to give her. She refused. Please, as she still needs your support, may you still support her. No come marry and come turn her to bag for his house. Nothing where she know again. I beg. Now that one I can't talk. I use God beg you now. I pray more and collect wisdom from this. Continue supporting your wife because if she good, now you is good for. Not be me where they talk. Mona, bye-bye. Oh, God bless you. Now, remember, this is your girl, Mrs. Wambudike. Jesus love you, Mono. Bye-bye.